Hello everybody, welcome to TopTeenFix channel. Today I want to show you how to do a hard reset on Realme C33. We do this when the phone is locked with the passcode. Okay, so alright, before doing this we need to turn off the phone by holding the volume up and power. Okay, volume up and power together, and then select on the power off. Okay, in order to turn off the power phone, in order to turn off the phone. Alright, after the powering is completely, we need to press, okay, on the power and the volume down. Okay, but you have to follow what I'm doing. Okay, just count. If you miss a second, you cannot put into the recovery mode. Okay, so let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, only 8 seconds that we can put into the recovery mode. Okay, right here is called recovery mode, and after that we need to select on the volume up and volume down to select the option that we want to. Right here we want to do the hard reset, so we need to press down to the wipe data factory reset and press the power to select the option. Okay, and then just select on the factory data reset and press the power. Alright, after that we need to reboot the system, and it may take about 10 minutes for the phone rebooting to the menu. Okay, so thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel.